but I'm moving back to Kampala. I have mixed feelings about it. So this was my 350 upload. So I never cooked, so she called me. Finally, we are moving out. Oh, guys, oh my god. So hi honeys, how are you? Tanya Nishailok here, and of course welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I'm moving out. I know this is very random, but I'm leaving my single room house. Yes, it's time up. I have to go back to Kampala. It has been this amazing. Hear those birds, you guys. As soon as I started filming, then they did start singing, if that makes sense. But I'm moving back to Kampala. I have mixed feelings about it. I'm excited. I'm gonna miss Entebbe, my house. I had put together a lot of things, as you guys. Though right now it's a mess. And the electricity in my house, it has been like so crazy since I came back yesterday evening from work. Things have been sparking, things have been moving on and off. I had to turn everything off. I'm not even certain if my bulb still works. That bulb was hella expensive. I got it at 15,000 Ugandan shillings. That's the most thing I'm scared of, because by the time everything started sparking yesterday night, I had my my charger, my computer charger in, my mobile phone charger in, but all of them stood at still. I'm not very sure if they're still working or the electricity damaged them. Yes, but that is the situation. Right now I'm going to the thrift shop. To organize things, pack everything, then hopefully come back here and I start also packing, because I have to be moving. I have almost, I think, 3 days until I leave this place, but I think even the 3 days are no longer countable. I think there are something like 2 days or something like that. So that is the situation currently. I want to just inform you on that. I'm not very certain if I'm going to be, of course, taking you throughout the whole packing. I don't know, but we shall see. You guys, I wanted to come over here to thank you very much for the amazing love and support on all my videos I've been able to do within life in Entebbe. They have been so gorgeous, and I wouldn't ask for more. We have created almost 50 videos, 50 or 40, 47. I'm not very certain of the number. It has been so amazing, the support. The last week was so bombastic. I swear upon the living Christ. They showed me a lot of love, support, and I'm here for it, I don't know if I'm going to be doing 2 parts, part 1 and part 2 for packing, but hopefully we shall see. I have actually finished packing. It has taken me almost 6 to 7 hours. I'm very, very tired. Let me just flip the camera for you guys to see. I have removed off my paintings and all that, except the other one. I think I never saw that by the time I was, of course, unpacking or packing. So when I just flip like this, I've got out most of the stuff that was in this corner over there, my clothing and all that. Most of them are down here right now. Even the table that was there originally, I have also removed it. And yes, most of the things I have organized them. My father is the one who's taking me tomorrow morning. He has a truck, so at least I'm not stressing out or anything. By the way, guys, I never showed you this. There are different certificates that TubeBuddy offers to creators whenever I reach a milestone. So this was my 350 uploads milestone. I reached it on 29th May 2020, and I framed it over here. It's a little bit dusty, but you guys, you can't see. Originally all of these were just up here, but I've already got them out just over here. I have clothings in that mugugu over there. this suitcase over here. It also has clothing and hangers and all that. I also have another mgugu somewhere down there where you see tripods. Those are my flowers. You guys, I'm really very excited about flowers. Let me show you the flowers I've been able to collect over time. Just look at this, guys. This is a banquet of flowers, like artificial flowers. I'm very happy that I've been able to collect all of this, you guys. I love this very much. Yes, my last day in Entebbe, my last night in Entebbe. I also wanted to tell you guys something. So yesterday when I was at my sister's place, let me just get where to place you guys so that I can give you the tea very well. So you guys, yesterday when I think I told you guys. So the rental where I do sleep, or initially where I was sleeping, because right now I'm moving out, you jump only a single house, then you find another rental where my relative does rent. So yesterday, I think at around 11, she did call me for supper. She usually cooks and all that. So she called me for supper and I was not cooking. I had not cooked. I had the stress of moving out, packing, meeting the new tenant that we are supposed to take over the other place where I was selling clothing. You guys, I'll show you that tomorrow. Hopefully I don't forget, because I don't know even if you know that place, but the stress was so much, so I never cooked. So she called me and I did go to her rental. So after eating supper, we were watching news at Uganda TV. The news, as it was ending, there is something unusual that did happen, you guys, and as I was very scared, for God's sake. So out of the blue, at around 11:45 or 11:50 or something like that, electricity sparked. So at her place, the decoder, the decoder cable, it did burn, and also the charger did burn. So I had 3 chargers plugged into electricity: the charger for the laptop and the 2 chargers for the phone. All of those got burnt directly. But most of my neighbors, like most of them, the power surge that did happen at around 11:45 to 50, it did spoil a lot of things: televisions, DVDs, fans, people's mobile phones. Guys, I was not having it. Since yesterday, I had this pulses in me. Yes, that is what literally did happen. So you guys just pray for me that I get the charger for my laptop and all that, and I keep on the vlogs coming, because man, electricity. But yes, that's what you guys I wanted to tell you. Currently I'm going to just sleep. Let me grab you in the morning.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and
oh my God. Oh. You guys to deal with. This is my sister Nasuna. Nasuna, say hi. Hi. So we have some things over here. We are still sorting. My beddings over here. Some indoor plants. I have to put those indoor plants, by the way, in the other room. And this is the rest of the stuff, you guys. I am Nakam. like knocked knocked down, I'm very very knocked down, but at least I'm gonna spend some of the next few days just trying to sort out stuff, organize stuff and all that. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Let me hope that you did enjoy this vlog, you guys, because it needed a little bit of energy, for God's sake.